Hello, welcome to Maths class of Standard 9. Today we are going to study lesson number 1 from Mathematics Part 1, Sets. Now let's see the certain collections. I have written certain collections here on the board. Flower bouquet, bunch of keys, fork of birds, pile of notebooks, collection of numbers. These are certain collections. Let's see what is the speciality of this collection. Say let's take flower bouquet. If we see the flower bouquet in front of us and we can see that which flowers are included in the bouquet. Whether we have roses or lilies or what. Then in bunch of keys, we have some collection of keys of main door of the home, say bedroom door or cupboards or drawers of our house. Fork of birds. We can look at the fork of birds and we can say which birds are flying together. Then piles of notebooks. Which books we have collected, which books we have piled over, and collection of certain numbers. So all these are collections where we can tell which object is it in the collection and which is not. So in mathematics, certain specific type of collections are called a set. So what is a set? Let's see the definition of the set. So all these collections which are having certain objects, and this is the definition of our set, that the collection of well-defined. What do we mean by the word well-defined? It is nothing but which we can clearly list. So the collection of well-defined means certainly clear, which are clearly list, is called a set. Of well-defined objects. One word is missing, my dear students. Objects. So the collection of well-defined objects means which we can clearly list is called a set. Now let's decide if the following collections are set or not. What is the first collection we have taken? Days of the week. Now as we know, the days of the week, there are 7 days. You can start with Monday or Sunday, and we can have 7 days, Monday, Tuesday till Sunday. We can certainly tell whether Wednesday belongs to such group or not. Or if I ask you, is the January belongs to that group? Your answer will be no. So we can certainly tell about the objects in this group. So this collection is certainly a set. So we can say yes, it is a set. Then second, say months of the year. There are 12 months from January, February, March till December. We can tell specific month or specific name of the month is included in the collection. We can say yes or no. Suppose we ask, the one of the month from Chaitra in Saur year, Indian year, whether Chaitra is included from January to December, the answer will be no. But if I ask about August, whether it is included, yes. So this is also a collection of the year, is a set. Now let's come to brave children in a class. Now suppose there are 40 students in a class. Who is brave? Who will show bravery at all times? Or who thinks, suppose there are 3 students, say A, B, C. A may feel that I am not a brave, but B is a braver child. So he can say B is a brave child. But B might think that, yes, I am brave, but I cannot be brave. I cannot show my bravery at all time. So C might be the brave children as per B. So being brave is a little bit relative concept, and a person cannot show his bravery in each and every situation. So it is really difficult to tell which students can be included in such collection. So this collection is not well defined, or we cannot clearly list the students in such collection. So my dear students, this collection is not a set, or we cannot have such particular collection only. Then first 10 counting numbers. Counting numbers are other way said as natural numbers. So starting with 1, 2, 3 till 10, all these are counting numbers. So we can tell clearly which numbers are included in this group, and yes, it is a set. Now let's come to the fifth example, strong forts of Maharashtra. We have many forts in Maharashtra. Now which is the strong? Again, it is a relative concept. So here this concept of strong is not properly defined or well defined. Hence again it is not a set. So this is no, it is not a set. Planets in solar system. Yes, again in our solar system we know the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter and so on. So we can perfectly tell or clearly tell which objects will come under this group. So it is a set. Yes, it is a set. Now rich people in your town, wherever you stay, who are the rich people? Again, being rich is a relative concept. A person who is earning say 10,000 per month, another is earning 20,000, the third person earning 30,000. So who will be rich? For B, A will be rich person. Or the person who is earning 20,000, for him 30,000 earning person will be the rich. But for a person earning 10,000 per month, he will think the person who is earning 20,000, 30,000 is richer. Even there are many people who may be earning more than 30,000 per month. So the person will think I am not the rich. So again, being rich or say we can poor are not well-defined things. So yes, this is not a set. No. Intelligent students in your class. Again, being intelligence is a relative concept. That's why you can never define this proper way. So this is not a set. Instead of this intelligent student, if we say students who score more than 80% marks in their annual exam or in any one particular subject, if we define like this, we can say it is a set. But being intelligent is not a well-defined term, or it is a relative term. Hence, it is not a set. So, such qualities or comparative terms, relative terms are not set. Thank you.